Let's make brownies! These rich and fudgy chocolate matcha brownies are amazing, y'all. They look so fancy, but they're actually really easy to make. You whip up this decadent vegan brownie batter and a chewy matcha cookie dough, then press them into a pan and bake. That's it. If you've never had chocolate and matcha together, you are in for such a treat. If you like these brownies, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First, make that fudgy brownie batter. Combine melted vegan butter with non-dairy milk, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and vanilla extract. Mix until the cocoa powder is really well incorporated. Then add the flour and mix again just until it's combined. Now add some chocolate chips and give it one more quick mix. Now make the matcha batter. Mix flax meal and water with sugar, baking powder, salt, melted vegan butter, vanilla extract, and matcha powder. Mix those until they're just combined. Then add your flour and mix again. Now mix in even more chocolate chips, and you're ready to assemble. Line a baking pan with parchment, and then drop dollops of each of the batters into the pan. You want to alternate colors almost like a checkerboard. Then use a spatula to press the batters together into one big cohesive piece. Bake, cool, and it's time to slice your matcha brownies. I am absolutely obsessed with these. They are rich and sweet with such a great fudgy texture and all of those amazing chocolate chips and then the bitter matcha. It's just such an incredible combination of textures and flavors. I cannot get enough. If you're a matcha fan, you're gonna absolutely love these brownies. Just look at that fudgy texture. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make these matcha brownies. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!